Hey guys, it's Shalissa.
Hey guys.
I have a special guest right here.
Hey guys, my name is Jen.
This is one of my closest friends, y'all.
She literally asked me last time, do you consider me as one of your closest friends?
Cause I wanted to make sure we were on the same page.
We're on the same page.
Okay, good. Okay, anyway, so summer is around the corner, and you know what? We realized we needed to be prepared for summer. And we needed to have things ready to do because you know what? We're not going to be sitting at home doing nothing in the summer. So we have to make it lit. We have to make summer 2K18 lit.
Make it like Phineas and Ferb.
Yeah, like Phineas and Ferb. Something new every single day. So we decided to make a summer bucket list and we just wanted to share it with you guys. Yep, and hopefully this gives you ideas on what to do this summer and yeah. Don't forget to give this a like, comment anything down below, and thank you for watching. Let's get started. So we made this cute little list right here, summer bucket list, and then we just wrote a bunch of things down. Honestly, it wasn't even that hard to think of it, right?
No, it took us like 5 minutes, I think.
Yeah. First thing on our list is
a water park. So we have like several water parks here, like amusement parks.
Yeah, water park is definitely a must in the summer, like at least one time. Another thing we have is a picnic, you know, because trying to make it cute.
The next one we have a beach.
Yeah, the beach is like one of my favorite things. So
yeah,
I have to go to the beach.
We went to the beach like a couple months ago. Actually, it was fun.
Yeah, we went to the beach when it was cold too,
and it was like raining.
But you know what?
It was fun. It was fun.
Okay, we have bike riding downtown.
And then we have the museum.
We have pool, definitely.
Yeah, we have the late night walk, you know, or get snacks and walk around, you know.
Yeah. We have sleepover.
That's a must.
Because we haven't had a sleepover yet.
Yeah.
Because we're just both always busy and just like, I don't know. We have go-karting. That's a must.
Yeah,
that's something fun.
That is really fun.
We both have jobs, so we're making money, you know?
Yeah, the next one's bowling. You can never go wrong with bowling.
Yeah, when there's nothing to do. Movie night, same thing. You can never go wrong with that.
And then like our next one, if you live in Texas, you know about, I don't want to call it a gas station, but Buc-ee's. And you know, it's just fun to go with your friends.
Alright, we have dinner, obviously.
And then
we have party! You already know!
What's summer without a party?
Honestly. We have chalk drawing. That's pretty cute.
Yeah. Our next one.
Chalk draw stuff.
Our next one's brunch. You know,
a must.
A must.
We need that.
You can like dress up with your girlfriends and just go for
breakfast.
Brunch. Yeah.
We have Bounce. That's a trampoline place.
We have a
shopping spree.
Our next one's water balloons.
You already know.
Yeah, that's fun.
We have get ice cream.
Next one is get matching
bracelets. We need to do that.
Yeah, that's fun.
That's so cute.
This one's fun too, actually.
Oh yeah, and we have boardwalk. Can never go wrong with that. Tie-dye shirts.
Tie-dye shirts, like you can always like, you know, when
friends.
you have nothing to do with your friends, just do tie-dye
a blank t-shirt, some tie-dye, you're good to go. Alright, we have a drive-in movie.
Drive-in movie. We have to go. You know, I've never been to a drive-in movie. And like, I always throw hints to guys like, take me to a drive-in.
And they never do.
And they never do. So we're gonna do it.
We have meet someone new because you know there's billions of people in this world.
Yep.
Let's step out of our comfort zone. I would do that.
You would totally do that.
That's fun. We have nature walk. You know, enjoy this earth we live in.
Oh, a bonfire with s'mores. Oh.
We have golf. Why not?
And then we have the aquarium.
We have paintings. I don't remember putting this one.
Me either.
The heck? Well,
but that's cool though.
Yeah, whatever.
You know, get your nails done with your girlfriend or
guys, get nails done.
I don't discriminate.
We need to do that. We have to do that.
Yeah, we do.
Haven't we not done that yet? We have laser tag. Have you ever been laser tagging?
Yeah, it's so much fun actually.
We have bag horse riding. I don't know if we're gonna get that one.
No,
I felt bag horse riding. It's horseback riding.
I'm like so pumped for that one. Like, we are like definitely doing that. Like, we're in Texas. Come on, we have to. It's like a must. That's a must. And then we have the last one. We have a carnival.
Do they have carnivals?
Yeah, we have carnivals.
And yeah, that was our summer bucket list. And yeah.
Hope y'all enjoyed, guys. This is like, it's not a lot, but it can give you an idea to what.
Actually, it is a lot. That was a lot.
Well, yeah.
I finally brought Jen to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.